All right, we're back again now live from the Storm Alert Weather Center. That cell that is in Clinton County has prompted a tornado warning to be issued for southern Clinton County. Again, a tornado warning for southern Clinton County that issued by the Weather Service just a moment ago. This would impact areas along South Highway 127. The strongest part of the storm would be around Highway 639, Highway 553, Highway 738. These are the areas that we're looking at now. Again, a tornado warning has been issued for southern Clinton County. So if you are in the Polygon area, this is where the tornado warning watch box is located. You should be seeking shelter. Go to a lowest part of a building, a basement. Protect your head, and if you're outside, you need to go lay flat on the ground if possible. Do not try to outrun a tornado in a vehicle. Again, this is a tornado warning that's in effect for the southern part of Clinton County. That would include the cities of Albany. Again, a tornado warning is in effect for Clinton County. This is along Highway 3065, Highway 1590, leading into the town of Albany. If you are in the path of this storm, you should be seeking shelter immediately. This is, again, a tornado warning that's in effect for Clinton County. And that would be for the southern part of Clinton County. Looking at a couple of our products here this evening or this morning here in the Storm Alert Center, examining some of the data that we have. Again, a tornado warning has been issued for Cumberland, or for Clinton County, the southern part of Clinton. That's in effect until 9:45 this morning. Radar indication of possible tornado. Again, we mentioned that earlier today, or earlier this morning, as we were doing coverage, the possibility of tornado activity in this cell of thunderstorms. And overnight across much of western Kentucky, several tornado warnings were reported. Haven't heard anything particular of as far as damage or injuries in western Kentucky, but we do have a tornado warning now in effect. That would be for the southern part of Clinton County. That would be along Highway 127, downtown Albany. You should be in a safe place, seeking shelter. Highway 1775, Highway 696. All of these areas in southern Clinton County should be in a safe place. Tornado warning in effect. And that is in effect again until 9:45 this morning. Again, we have a tornado warning that is in effect for the southern part of Clinton County. So if you know anybody in that area, you should be letting them know we have a tornado warning for Wayne or for Clinton County. Summer Watkins asked if this is going to hit Wayne County. The way it looks right now, we do not have a warning for Wayne County. Do not have a warning for Wayne County. However, you should be heads up for the possibility of severe weather. Again, this is a tornado warning that is in effect for the southern part of Clinton County. Right now, Johnny, there's no warning in effect for Russell County. It's all for the southern. Now, Russell County is under a severe thunderstorm warning until 9:30. 9:30 this morning. But here at our studios, wind gust only at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. But again, we do have a tornado warning that is in effect until 10:40 or 9:45 this morning for the southern part of Clinton County. Again, southern part of Clinton County, we do have a tornado warning, and then a larger part of the region in a severe thunderstorm warning. That's in effect until 9:30, about another 4 minutes from now. Again, if you are in the path of this tornado around Albany, the southern part of Clinton County, you should be seeking shelter.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, southwestern.
Now we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County.
Over Albany, Oregon, 10 miles north of Beardstown, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
We do have a severe thunderstorm warning now in effect for Wayne County and just a little part of Pulaski County. A little part of Pulaski County now under a severe thunderstorm warning. This is part of the storm that's moved through the southern part of Russell in Clinton and now impacting Wayne County. And that severe thunderstorm warning will expire in about 30 minutes. The storm warning for Wayne County issued by the Weather Service in Jackson. This is in effect until 11 o'clock Eastern. The storm has a potential history of producing winds in the excess of 60 miles per hour. We also again have the tornado warning for southern Clinton. That's in effect until 9:45 this morning. The storms are moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. So even if we don't have a tornado warning for Wayne County, remember this is still a storm that has the history of producing tornadic thunderstorms back off to the west. Even though we do not have a warning in effect for Wayne County, you should still treat this storm with respect. Again, a tornado warning for southern Clinton. If you are in the path of the storm, remember, respect the polygon. This is the area that we're showing here. That would include the communities of Naomi, Highway 761, and Pulaski County down through Mill Springs, in Wayne County, downtown Monticello, Sunnybrook, Parnell, all of those areas under a severe thunderstorm warning. Now, we do have good news. The storm warning for Russell County has been allowed to expire. Storm warning for Russell and the northern part of Clinton County has been allowed to expire. The warnings that we have now in effect will impact regions such as Zulu, Parnell, and Monticello between now and 10:45. Other locations will be Steubenville, Betsy, and the Kidder community of Wayne County. So people should be heads up if you are in those areas. Again, a tornado warning will remain in effect for another 15 minutes for southern Clinton County, mainly areas along and south of Albany. This will be in effect for another 13 minutes or so. We do have a tornado warning in effect for the southern part of Clinton County. You can see where the radar's indicating the possibility of a tornado. If you're in the path of the storm, you should seek shelter. You should seek shelter if you are in the path of this storm. And again, that's a tornado warning for the southern part of Clinton County. Now, if you are in Wayne County, the areas that we're looking at now along Highway 92 in the Parnell community, Highway 90 West near the Alpha community, right there at the Clinton-Wayne County line. And this strong cell that is right to the south of Cumberland City, between Alpha and 76 Falls. A lot of heavy rainfall associated with that particular cell, and strong wind gusts are very likely. So again, we have the tornado warning in effect for southern Cumberland County, or Clinton County rather. Clinton County, southern Clinton, until 9:45. Tornado warning remains in effect. The storm is moving northeast at about 35 miles per hour. We've got reports now in Rockhouse Bottom, calm, light rain. Which part of Pulaski? That would be mainly the southern part of Pulaski County. That's a response to some questions. The southern part of Pulaski, in and around Burnside and the Naomi community, some of the locations and some of the streets and roads impacted would be the Tartar Cemetery Road, Highway 235, Slate Branch, Shafter Chipola Road, and Slate Branch Spur. Those are the areas in Wayne County, or Pulaski County. Muncie Lane, the Ramp Road, and Highway 761. That's the areas of concern in Pulaski County. Pretty much all of Wayne County under this severe thunderstorm warning. And we still have a few minutes left to go in the tornado warning that is in effect for southern Clinton, or southern Clinton County. Again, we do appreciate everybody for tuning in to weather coverage this morning. It's been a very, very busy day trying to keep up with everything that's happened. We've been monitoring the weather situation for the last 4 or 5 hours, even into the pre-dawn hours this morning. We were there trying to disseminate information and get everybody updated and informed. But again, we have a tornado warning for southern Clinton, the southern part of Pulaski, and pretty much all of Wayne County under a severe thunderstorm warning, and that would be in effect until 10 o'clock Central Time this morning. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Wayne County and areas in southern Pulaski. That's in effect until 10 o'clock Central, 11 o'clock Eastern this morning. Man, having a little bit of technical difficulty this morning with radar, but nonetheless, we can still get you the information out there. Again, we have a tornado warning in effect for southern Clinton County. Southern Clinton County under a tornado warning, and that is in effect until 9:45. And then again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for parts of Pulaski, mainly the southern part, and then Wayne County. That would be Monticello, areas around Parnell, Rocky Branch, under a severe thunderstorm warning. That's in effect for another 22 minutes, another 7 minutes for the storm that's produced possibly a tornado in Clinton, southern Clinton County. If anyone has any information about that, feel free to let us know. Again, that's a tornado warning for southern Clinton County. So if you are in the path of the storm, you should be seeking shelter. Again, in southern Clinton County. All right, so we have about 6 minutes to go on the tornado warning in Clinton County. 6 minutes left to go on the tornado warning in southern Clinton. And then we have 21 minutes left to go on the storm warning that's impacting both parts of Pulaski and the major parts of Wayne County. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for the most part of Wayne County and the southern part of Clinton County this morning. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in and joining us for severe weather coverage and following us throughout the even the early morning hours. We had a lot of people checking in and following and liking our page and getting the information out that we provided before the sun came up today. We want to watch this storm. We're going to wait until the tornado warning expires in Clinton County, and that'll be another 5 minutes or so. You can see that the strongest part of the cell of those storms is right below Albany, moving into Wayne County. And again, Wayne County under severe thunderstorm. That'll be the southwestern part of Pulaski until 11 o'clock Eastern Time. And now they have slightly changed the tornado warning. Took a little bit of Clinton County off of that warning. Still remains in effect nonetheless for that area. Again, a tornado warning remains in effect for Clinton County, and that warning is expected to continue for about another 5 minutes until 9:45 Central Time, and then a large part of Wayne County under a severe thunderstorm warning. The tornado warning again is effective until 9:45, and then the severe thunderstorm warning that's impacting the southwestern part of Pulaski County and the majority of Wayne County. That is in effect until 11 o'clock Eastern, 10 o'clock Central. And I don't think we're going to hammer this for another 20 minutes. We're going to probably take a break as soon as the warning expires in Clinton County. I think we've got the word out. We will put an update on our Facebook page showing that the warning is in effect and when it will expire. That way, people that's just joined us, they'll be able to know that. But anyway, we do have that severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect until 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock Eastern, 10 o'clock Central this morning. Nothing behind this, Karen, as we're looking at the radar. We're going to talk about that here in just a second. I need to make a little bit of an internal adjustment here real quick, and then we'll talk about what we're seeing out behind this. And we kind of touched on that earlier this morning, but you can see there's a lot of rain that's coming up from the south, and that will continue to advance into the areas. We can expect periods of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong. A slight risk of severe weather continues throughout the remaining part of the day, and as you can see, a couple of bands of rain begins to move into the area. And we'll have a little bit of a break in the action, as the old saying goes, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We'll see a break in the action, and that is this little area right here. It's going to be a little bit of a lull in the precipitation, but then as we put everything back into motion, you can see that that's going to be short-lived, that it will continue to develop and bring rainfall into the area. The latest National Weather Service forecast for the Lake Cumberland and Green River area is calling for today showers and thunderstorms likely before noon. We're obviously getting that. Then showers and maybe a thunderstorm between noon and 3 p.m. And some of the storms could produce heavy rainfall after 3 o'clock. Wind gusts over 30 miles per hour are possible. And then we'll see scattered showers and storms tonight, mainly after midnight. And we have about a 60% chance of that happening this evening and tonight, 100% chance today. And I believe now we have a flood advisory. I believe we have a flood advisory that is in effect for our area. This will be for for Russell County. Let me get the particulars on that, and that way we will be able to give you the full details on this. Some of the counties included in the flood advisory until noon today. Central Time includes, we're going to name a few that's in our coverage area. That would include Adair, Barron, Casey, Greene, Cumberland, Clinton, Hart, Lincoln, Russell, Taylor, Monroe, and Metcalf. We could see ponding of water in the urban areas and on roadways. You should remember to always turn around and don't drown. Heavy rainfall is expected later today and into the nighttime hours. Again, a flood watch is in effect. The good news, a tornado warning for Clinton County has been allowed to expire. The tornado warning for Clinton County has been allowed to expire. The thunderstorm warning that is in effect for Wayne County, that will expire in 13 minutes. So again, to answer the questions of people about what we can expect behind this, have a little bit of a break of the action, as the old saying goes, but then rainfall will pick back up later on this afternoon and into the nighttime hours. Off and on periods of rain, thunderstorms, and gusty wind. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has indicated, as we show here, indicated a slight risk of severe thunderstorms that would be for most of central and south central Kentucky. The tornado watch has been allowed to be canceled. That'll be for Taylor County. The tornado watch has been allowed to expire or to be canceled. That's for Taylor County. The map you're looking at now is a slight risk of severe weather for later on today. So now we continue with the storm warning for Wayne County and the southwestern part of Pulaski. That's in effect until 11 o'clock Eastern Time this morning. And again, that would be impacting areas around in and around Monticello. Pretty much the entire county of Pulaski or Wayne County is in that severe thunderstorm warning. I'm going to check a couple of our, see if we have any messages. Nothing for Russell. Just simply rainfall so far that's coming in behind us. And London, you're just pretty much like the rest of us. Gusty winds, maybe some heavy rain, and you could see some ponding of water on the roadways and even in the low-lying areas. So you should be heads up. All right, we're going to break away and end our weather coverage this morning. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Again, we have that warning that'll be ending for Wayne County. That'll be ending in about 12 minutes or so. We'll be here in case there's an upgrade, but as of now, it does not seem like we'll have anything any worse than what we're having. Again, that's for Wayne County, Clinton County. Tornado warning has been allowed to expire. So on behalf of everybody behind the scenes here at the Storm Alert Weather Center, we say thank you for joining us and have a safe and pleasant